I need to focus on our whole food anti-inflammatory diet to fit with the new diet that we have adopted for my husband's MS diagnosis. Obviously, you can see it is an absolute mess. I have been slowly changing some of our ingredients to better products, a lot more healthier foods and stuff like that. So I am sure there are some things in there I really shouldn't have, we shouldn't have, and so I'm going to clear those out. I'm going to sort it, organize it, so it's just easier to get to, and just get rid of all the garbage that's in there, because ultimately we really need to finally just get rid of that with us changing our diet and everything, so that we can lessen the amount of inflammatory triggers. And also don't mind the fact that I have no cabinet doors right now because I am currently sanding and painting them. So we're doing a little remodeling. So don't mind the fact that it looks terrible right now. So we'll get into it. So here's some of the things that I'm going to get rid of. This is some baking powder from March 2022. Ew, don't know if it works anymore. Here's just some regular white granulated sugar, some more sugar, some powdered buttermilk, marshmallows, some organic ketchup, and then a kit for making like some beef sticks. And of course, the catnip and the dog treats. So not a whole lot of stuff. So I got everything cleared out. I actually had a lot more space than I thought I did. So I had a lot of just duplicates of things. So I condensed those down into as few containers as I could. As you can see, I didn't actually have a lot of things that need to be tossed out. I was kind of surprised. I knew there was some stuff kind of hiding in there, like the dog treats and the catnip, because that belongs with your food, of course, obviously. I'm going to find a better place for that. I thought there was going to be like some chocolate or something hiding in there. So I am kind of happy and proud of ourselves that we have cleared out a bunch of the crud that we just really don't need to be having anymore. I tend to snack really badly. I have no willpower at all when it comes to my weight loss journey. So not having the snacks in my house really helped. I'm not too bad about buying them in the store. I don't really buy them in the store. I'm pretty good at following a list when I go grocery shopping. But if they are in the house, I am home, those really nice treats and snacks, they're all whispering to me. So I just can't have them around. My husband's about the same as well. So it's nice to see that we actually have a lot more space, so we can maybe put in a few more things that we've been looking at getting, a bunch more beans and things like that. So not anything too exciting, but definitely cleared out a lot of space and had a lot less I had to get rid of than what I thought. So thanks for joining me. Remember, if you want to help support us, I do have a fundraiser for raising money for the National MS Society for helping with research and services for people with multiple sclerosis. As well, I also have an Amazon storefront. I am an affiliate. That always helps us out. And don't forget, subscribe button. It's free. So that definitely helps us a lot to really get closer to that YouTube program that we're really trying to hope to get into someday. So again, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next episode.